Happy holidays, guys! It is December 21st. That's when I'm filming this. I actually just got a package in the mail. I'm so excited about it, but I did pre-open it. So this is not a reveal and see my shock surprise. I'm actually filming this because I'm devastated. So on Facebook, they have all of those shopping, like clothing things, and there's something called FairySeason. And they had the most beautiful clothes on them. So I selected a few items. It's going to spoil myself. And one of them was a Christmas dress. And it came just in time for me to realize it's from China, which they do not advertise they're from China. In fact, on the bag, it says it's from California. So I opened them up and they look drastically different. And I'll show you the pictures. I'll add them to the screen as I try them on, and you can see how I'm kind of disappointed, but let's take a look. So this is the Christmas dress that I was so excited to get. This is what it looks like on. I'm very disappointed because in the picture, I'll show you the picture. It slides off. This is not at all flexible, so it does not go down. And then there's this abrupt stop on the sleeve that makes it look really weird. Like it doesn't continue with the snowflake, and it just doesn't. And then even if it were, the sleeves would be too big. I don't know. The skirt part is cute, but this part doesn't work. And as you can see, I'll show you the picture. It was supposed to be so cute and I was so excited. I was going to wear it with stockings and it was going to be super cute. But now this is super uncomfortable, so it ends up looking like this. And that is not, it's not okay. Let me show you the next one. This next one was more of a Valentine's kind of feel. It would have been really warm. I'll show you in a second. Alright, here's that dress for Valentine's Day. This one I'm not as disappointed. The color's not as vibrant as I thought it would be, but the material is super soft. So there's a plus. And it doesn't fit like I thought it would. So I guess if I would have tried it on at a store, I would have like passed. But I can't say I'm as disappointed like the first one. But here is the soft, fluffy Valentine's dress. And then now I have two shirts that are very similar, and they're more of a glitter out, going out kind of shirt. Let me show you.
Get sick.
This is the first shirt of going out, and look what it's supposed to look like. And then if you can see, of course, there's no actual glitter. It is like just a fabric. And then these are just a fabric. I thought it was like gems all the way around. And there are shiny things in the sleeves, which are pretty, but I'm very underwhelmed. I thought these shirts range from $17.99 to, I think one of the shirts is like 30 bucks. So I was expecting better quality, and because it doesn't like specify that it's from China, I thought it was, of course, I should have looked into it a little better. But it is from China, guys, and that's why it's not the best quality. Thank you, Lucas.
But it is really good.
You like it?
Yeah, because I like the shiny things.
He likes shiny things.
Yeah, and also...
But you can wait for the next one, because the next one has more of a gold flare. It has like butterflies. So let me show you that one.
Boing.
Alright, so this is the next one. Let them see, little man. This is the next one. It has the butterflies. And the sparkle sleeves that Lucas absolutely loves. Right, Lucas? But, again, I don't love the quality. If you look, this is supposed to be all glitter. Or at least that's what it appears to be on the picture. The picture. And it's not. This is actually the quality when you look up close. And it's just not what I was envisioning. I don't like it. It's not. This I thought would be a little bit more, I don't know. It just doesn't fit right. So, one more shirt, and this one was supposed to be completely different. It was supposed to be pink.
But it didn't come today.
It was supposed to be pink, and it's not pink. It's red. And even on the receipt, it says red, but it shows a pink shirt. So, I'm baffled by this, but let's see how it fits. Okay, this is the last shirt I ended up buying, and let's see. That is what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to be pink, completely pink with a this is supposed to be the accent color instead of this. And this is not pink, this is red. And actually on the receipt it shows that picture and then it says red. And I have no idea why it didn't have options. So this is what came. And I don't dislike it, even though it smells like chemicals. Smell it. It has this weird smell to it, so I can't imagine the factory this comes out of, but the fabric feels nice. I mean, it's a cute shirt. It has these the tightening things to make it form-fitting. So even though it doesn't look like the shirt, and it was probably, I think this was the $30 one. So it's the most expensive one. So it doesn't look anything like it, but it's really cute. So I may just go ahead and keep it.
Or you didn't like the $30 one?
I don't know. So I might keep this one and I might keep the Valentine's one. But the other ones, I'm going to see how their refund policy is. I see that they say as long as you don't wear it out or wash it or break it, harm it, or in any way, that you can return it. But it's to China, so I don't know if that means I have to cover the shipping costs. We shall see. I'll write it down below in the comments when I figure this out. But I'll go ahead and upload this before.
If they could comment down below?
Yes. Well, I'll comment down below, and then whoever, you guys can respond, or ask me questions about this experience. I have one other coming.
No, like you say it on your video.
So we shall see.
You say it on your video, and then you say...
Lucas, the up-and-coming YouTube star, guys. All right. Thank you so much for watching.
Like. Please, someone subscribe.
Thanks for watching Charlotte's Oasis. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.